So what does ignite mean to me? It means three things: energy and momentum. It's a spark that generates that potential into action. The next thing is it's about lighting up people's enthusiasm. It's driving the inspiration and passion to create something real tangible. And finally, it's true transformation. It's starting something that's going to spread throughout the organization and really create impact for that business.
So for me, the Ignite program has been around taking our organisation from one that was really great, but was really around geared towards the funded program, and taking that and moving it into the commercial world, which means now that we can be far more agile in our offering to all organisations of all shapes and sizes. And that really has helped us to transform our own culture and take everything that we've learnt and really move us from being good to great.
So what happens when business transformation experts decide to transform their own business? In January, we were set the challenge to take this company from good to great. The Ignite program has provided me the framework to have the provocation and a sense of challenge to really deeply reflect personally on what we do and how we do it. Over the past 9 months, using the Ignite Academy, have seen getting better results, whereby I got a greater sense of momentum within the business. Personally, I'm feeling more motivated and engaged. And the great thing is that sense of momentum, which says as we get better, we're continually to get better and things are gathering pace.